Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to create rolling text animation in a simple way. So let's get started. First, create a new composition and name it to Text Edit. Now, write an alphabet. Align the text. Now select the region of interest button and mask the letter. Go to the composition and select the crop comp to region of interest. Now create another comp and name it to final comp. Rename the text edit comp. Drag the text comp. Now duplicate the text in project panel by follow the steps. Also rename the composition one by one. Now drag all comp one by one and adjust all alphabet. Change the letter by clicking the comp one by one. Select all letter and set their alignment. Go to the effect and preset and apply CC Reptile effect. Set the expand up and also expand down to 8,000. Copy the effect by pressing Ctrl+C and paste it on all layers. Select all layer and pre-comp. Now animate all the letter by position. So for this, select all layer, hit P for position, create a keyframe and set the keyframe after 1 second. Now select layer one by one and animate position randomly. Just follow the steps. Select all keyframe and ease them and go to Graph Editor and set the graph. Now, go to the final comp, select Rectangle tool and draw a mask. Now our rolling text animation is ready. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.